Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the BW MFI indicator for MT4. This is an oscillator based on the money flow index that measures the flow of money into and out of a market using both price and volume, helping you spot overbought and oversold conditions. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and there we go. On MT4, the BW MFI indicator plots as a line oscillator in its own separate sub-window, moving between 0 and 100. Two horizontal reference lines sit at the default levels of 20 and 0. When the oscillator climbs above 80, it suggests overbought conditions and potential buying exhaustion. When it drops below 20, it signals oversold conditions and potential selling exhaustion. The area between 20 and 80 is considered the neutral zone, where neither strong buying nor strong selling pressure dominates, and moves above 50 indicates overall buying pressure, while readings below 50 suggest selling pressure. As for the indicator settings, the only input is the ExtMFIPeriod, which controls the number of bars used in the MFI calculation. A shorter period makes the oscillator more sensitive and reactive, while a longer period produces smoother, slower moving readings. The overbought and oversold levels of 80 and 20 are set as the default thresholds and can be adjusted directly in the indicator settings to suit different instruments or trading styles. That's all this indicator is for. The BW MFI indicator is well suited for traders who want a volume-weighted oscillator that goes beyond price alone, using money flow to confirm momentum, spot divergences, and identify potential reversal zones. It is a visual analysis tool only, does not execute trades, and readings above 80 or below 20 can persist for extended periods during strong trends, so signals should always be confirmed with price action, trend direction, and supports and resistance rather than acted on in isolation. You can download the BW MFI indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. It gives you a clean 0 to 100 money flow oscillator with simple 20 and 80 level markers and a single period setting, making it an accessible volume-based confirmation tool for any time frame. If you found this helpful, remember to subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 indicator overviews.